is 21,034 crores.
Habaay na miya kamang tingka siya Paidbah jong kajala. Myntri Rangbah kajalaw konrat ke sama uloong ba kani kamang tingka, kadai kamang tingka jong Paidbah. Habawan ra e kani hagni kasngi Myntri Rangbah uloong ba kajingba kaba khatsan point san klur tingka na kabenta ban pinbhay ya kilat pinyasok lingsun hapo jong kajala jong ka sarkar hapo jong kajala ka sarkar jala menta kalaya trailang bat ka Airport Authority of India lembat kiwe ki agency ban penyar ya kilinti sange lingsun khnang bansha ya kijingwan sange jong ki lingsun ki bakham he ha kakat lingsun ha umroi haba phai sha kalyang ka boarding Myntri Rangbah uloong ba ka jingkem pisa katanat boarding ka jala ke MECL lembat ki likely kitna tarikam ka jongka kadai na mar ka jing bamla ban penbet ya ki jing e ki jongki postnam bat ladep ban bentai na ka menta usnam arjar arflai arjar arpusaw ka sarkar kelamang saus pa klur tingka kajala kla IT ru ya kajing terwa na kebenta bantaw ya kan realtly ki border hat batmai ha kaju kapor Myntri Rangbah uloong ba en kentiu kerdan ya southly ki land custom station syaki integrated checkpost bapura bat en penyeng ru ya kawai ka land custom station ha umkyang East Janta Hills
allocating an amount of 15.5 crores for improving air connectivity in the state. Water supply. Meghalaya has been among the top performers in Jal Jeevan mission. The number of households with tap connection was increased from 4,550 in 2019 to almost 3 lakh today. Given the excellent performance of the state in the implementation of the mission, the Union government has assured an amount of 3,700 crores for 2023-24. We have set an ambitious target to provide tap connections to all 6.3 lakh households in 2023-24.